mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian E. Mendoza at ito ang aking daily devotion kung March 6, 2025. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy ang ating series which is Seminary Edition. Specifically, ang topic po natin for today is about New Covenant Community. So, paano dumating sa Biblia? So, this is our special series number 10 out of 10. So, ito po ang huling part 10 ng ating special series. So, una po, tayo po ay isimula sa ating talata para sa araw na ito. Ito po ang gagamit sa John chapter 13 verses 34 and 35. Sabi po rito, basahin ko po. A new command I give you, love one another as I have loved you. So you must love one another. By this everyone will know that you are my disciples if you love one another. So ayun upang ating mas maunawaan kung anong ibig sabihin ng talatang ito at upang mas maintindihan natin ating devotion, ngayon po tayo pagdadako sa ating mga teachings for today. So una po, sabi po rito na sa akin, Jesus community is built on love. So binuo po na ating Panginoon sa Kristo yung community sa pamamagitan po ng love, sa pamamagitan ng tatawag natin selfless and unconditional. Kumbaga it is a love that unites us and guides us how we treat one another. Ikalawa po, Jesus' love conquers the world. So yung pagmamahal po ng ating Panginoon sa Kristo is talagang napaka-makapangyarihan. It is powerful enough to overcome sin, hatred, and all the ways of wickedness. So when we embrace His love, talagang nababago tayo at yung mga nakapaligid sa atin. Ikatlo po, Jesus' marching army is bound for victory. So tayo po bilang mga followers ng Jesus Christ, we're part of His victorious army. Despite struggles, yung resurrection niya, it guarantees ultimate victory over evil. So paano po natin ma-apply mga katuruan na ito? Ngayon po tayo pinag-apasahin ng Ephesians for today. So una po, choose the hardest path, which is love. Love is often hard, but ito yung path wherein Jesus calls us to follow, wherein it requires sacrifice, it requires selflessness. Ikalawa po, choose to love to meet God's approval. So, loving others is how we reflect God's heart. Hindi po ito about approval, but it is about living out His command. Ikatlo po, choose the path of Christ, loving the unlovable. So, loving those who are hard to love mirrors Christ's love for us. Ito po ay isang challenge, but through this, it leads to transformation. So, ito po yung tatlo nating mga applications para sa atin. Ito, una po, choose the hardest path, which is love. Ikalawa, choose to love to meet God's approval. And last but not least po, choose the path of Christ, loving the unlovable. So, naway, magawa po natin mga ito at ma-apply sa ating mga buhay. Marami po tayong natutunan.